Hello and welcome to the new session of electronics. Myself Shyam Gore from DSM College Jintur. Today we are discussing about common emitter amplifier. So let us see common emitter amplifier. The simplified GM model is used for bipolar junction transistor and it can be used to determine the performance of common emitter amplifier. Common emitter amplifier and its H parameter equivalent circuit is shown in the figure A and B. Here, figure A is the common emitter amplifier circuit. In this figure, the transistor is used and the transistor is NPN transistor. Okay, this is the input signal and output signal is taken across the output terminal 2. Okay, and here this is the coupling capacitor C and this is the input voltage VBB, output voltage is VCC, and this circuit is converted into the H parameter equivalent circuit. Here, this is the H parameter equivalent circuit for common emitter amplifier, and this circle denotes the transistor. Okay, the input impedance is HIE and the voltage between base and emitter is VBE, and this is the current source. The transistor works as current source and the current source having the value of GM into VBE. Here the current source is represented with the help of GM model, that is the GM into VBE, and the output current is IC, load resistance is RL, output voltage is VO, input voltage is the VI, and the input current is IB. So let us see the performance of common emitter amplifier. Okay. In this circuit, the output voltage, here the output voltage of common emitter amplifier VO is in between the terminal 2 and the output voltage is equal to the voltage across this resistance, that is the load resistance, and the current flowing through the load resistance is IC. This is the output current. So, the current flowing through the load resistance is IC. Therefore, the output voltage is equal to minus IC into RL. Here the negative sign is taken because the direction of current is in the reverse direction. Therefore, here we are taking minus IC. So, the output voltage VO is equal to IC into RL, and this is also be equal to, here this collector current IC is equal to GM into VBE. Okay, when the current is flowing through this source, the value of this source is GM into VBE. Therefore, we can say that this IC is equal to GM into VBE, and here we substitute the value of IC, and therefore, instead of IC we write minus GM into VBE into RL, and this is equal to minus GM into RL into VI. Actually, VI is the input voltage and the input voltage is voltage between the terminal 1 or input port, and the voltage between base and emitter is the VBE. Okay. Therefore, we can write VB is equal to VI. So, here we have VO is equal to minus GM into RL into VI, and therefore, from this equation we can obtain the voltage gain. Voltage gain is the output voltage divided by input voltage. So, the voltage gain is equal to AVE, and here AV is equal to VO, output voltage, divided by input voltage VI. So, This is the voltage gain, and from this equation VO divided by VI is equal to minus GM into RL. This is equation number 1. Okay, the voltage gain for common emitter amplifier is minus GM into RL. Okay, now let us find out the current gain. For that, we have the current in the load. Current flowing through the load means the current flowing through the load resistance, and here the current is equal to IC is equal to GM into VBE. Okay, collector current is equal to GM into VBE, and this can be also be written as HFE into IB. GM into VBE is equal to HFE into IB. Okay, so the current gain is the output current ratio of output current to the input current. Output current is the IC and input current is the IB. Therefore, from this equation IC is equal to HFE into IB. From that we can find out IC divided by IB. So, IC divided by IB is equal to HFE. This is equation number 2. So, the current gain for common emitter amplifier is equal to HFE. Okay. This is the theoretical current gain of the transistor. We have input resistance at terminal 1 and the input resistance is RIE, and the input resistance RIE is equal to VI divided by IB. Resistance is equal to voltage divided by current. The input voltage is the VI and input current is the IB, and here VI is equal to VBE and this is the IB. So, VI divided by IB is equal to HIE. Okay. So, this is the input resistance for common emitter amplifier, and this value of HI is very small. Okay. So, this is the input resistance, and the input resistance is resistance between emitter and base of the transistor. The output resistance can also be find out from the circuit, and the output resistance is at the port 2 and when we have to find out the output resistance, we make the any source which is present in the circuit is independent. So, here the Vi is make equal to the 0 and the collector source also becomes 0 and appears an open circuit. In practice, we know that the large resistance 1 divided by HOE is connected across the output port. So, ROE is equal to 1 divided by HOE, and the value of HOE is the very small. Therefore, this is nearly equals to the infinity. So, the output resistance of common emitter amplifier is equal to 1 upon HOE and that is equal to the infinity. So, this is equation number 4 for the output resistance of common emitter amplifier. And for CE circuit, we have the power gain. Actually, the power gain is a product of voltage gain and current gain in magnitude, and therefore, the power gain is represented by PG, and the PG is equal to mod of AVE into mod of AIE, that is the product of voltage gain into current gain. This is equation number 4, and we know the voltage gain is equal to GM into HFE, okay, into RL. Okay, so the power gain is equal to HFE square into RL divided by HIE. Here GM is equal to HFE divided by HIE. Therefore, when we substitute the value of GM is equal to HFE divided by HIE, therefore that will give you HFE square into RL divided by HI, equation number 5. So this is the power gain, and this result is usually converted to the decibel. The transconductance GM is found in several expressions and is often converted to a figure of merit of transistor. C amplifier is widely favored since it can be designed for good voltage gain and current gain as well as power gain. Okay, here for common emitter amplifier, three things, that is the voltage gain, current gain and power gain is very high. Okay, and it also has the input resistance and output resistance, input impedance and output impedance. Input impedance is very small, output impedance is very large, and therefore common emitter circuit is used in cascade. When we have to connect the two circuit, then such types of the common emitter circuit can be connected to the any circuit without matching input and output impedance with transformer. This give better power transfer than any another circuit, and this is the cost advantage of common emitter amplifier. So this is the performance of the common emitter amplifier with the help of H parameter. So this is common emitter amplifier. Okay, thank you for watching this video.